The Adhesive Routing Clip, ARC, by Eurotech, is a versatile solution for cable management and routing challenges. ARC offers a quick, hardware-free installation, reducing labor time and costs across multiple applications. Its durable design ensures reliable performance in challenging environments, while providing immediate buzz, squeak, and rattle solutions. The versatile design adapts to confined spaces, allows non-standard cable fixation, and offers retroactive solutions, eliminating the need for extra hardware and through-holes. With its low-profile, lightweight construction, ARC provides an ideal choice for automotive manufacturers seeking a reliable, cost-effective, and adaptable routing solution. ARC installation instructions. First, place ARC beneath the harness with the adhesive side down. Wrap the tapered end around the harness and fully insert it into the V-slot. Pull both sides in opposing directions until the neck properly seats into the H-slot. Rotate ARC to the proper position on the harness bundle and pull it snug. Remove the liner from the slotted end and affix the adhesive to the routing surface, applying firm pressure to the entire adhesive area. Remove the liner from the tapered end. Firmly pull the tapered end to tighten ARC around the bundle, then press the adhesive firmly onto the routing surface. ARC by Eurotech. Maximum routing freedom. No holes required.